All right, time to take a ride in a 57 Chevy 210. Iconic car here. Painted up a nice candy apple red.
1957 Chevy.
Yep.
This thing got a big block in it.
Oh yeah, 454. And it's got a 700 R4. Currie rear end.
Yep, you got a little switch here to lock up the converter.
Oh
so
yeah.
The freeway.
There you go.
Electric fan.
Electric fan.
Runs nice and cool.
Yeah, a little old school interior, but you know, still doable.
It's comfortable, man.
Yeah, it's like a couch, you know.
It's not modern, but it's comfortable.
Oh yeah, it's
like that couch you don't want to get rid of in your house, you know, that you have for 20 years.
Yeah, that one you always lay in all the time. Yeah, it's got 4-wheel disc brakes, got Hydra-boost, power steering, and rear end, it's got 373 gears, so it's got some good, you know.
It's got one of those Currie rear ends too. They're like $4 grand. They're really nice.
Yeah, absolutely. It's got some 17-inch Boss wheels. Woo, yeah, man, let's make my camera point in the air.
Oh, brakes work good.
Brake check. All right. Yeah, you got some extra gauges down there. Got a comfortable interior in the back. And you'll see the paint on the outside when we do the rest of the video. It's pretty nice.
Apple red, man. It's a pretty cool looking car. It's got those 17-inch Boss wheels on there too.
Oh yeah. Yeah, nice car. Decent stereo system. It's hidden inside there, inside the glove box. Got a lot of trucks down here today. Woo!
Yeah, let's jump this one. Look at that, dude.
Yeah, that's a ramp. Hey! Duke's a hazard.
Duke's a hazard.
Alrighty. It's a little crowded here today, but we're gonna get down to our picture place and give you some photographs and the rest of the video here. Alright, check out this 57 Chevy 210. Pretty nice car. It's a big block car. 454. Got a small cam in it, Edelbrock, carbon manifold, headers. Got power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes with Hydra-boost. It's got a 700 R4 in it, which is cool. It's got Bel Air trim, as you can see on there, which is, you know, nice little upgrade. A lot more stainless and looks really good. Got some Boss 17-inch wheels on it. It's got a Currie rear end with 373 gears, posi-traction. Those Currie rear ends are pretty dang strong. So, and it's painted like it's a candy apple red. You know, got some flake in it and stuff. Looks really good. Not, you know, not big flake, but just, you know, some sparkle. So it looks really nice in the sun. Really a good looking car. I'm going to show you the interior on it. A little bit old school, but really comfortable. Super comfortable. Did it in red. Kind of like that old couch you don't want to get rid of, like we said earlier. Just so comfortable sitting there. It's got tilt wheel. Dash looks nice. Got tack. Got your auxiliary gauges. Electric fan. Really good looking. Let me see if I can get to the back here. There we go. Here's one you can take a nap in. Nice and comfortable. Yep, these 57s, very iconic. We're going to show you the engine and let you take a peek at that and start her up for you. All right, check out the power plant. Big block, 454. Lots of torque. Yep, there's the Edelbrock there, manifold and carburetor setup. It's got headers. Got the Hydra-boost system back there for the 4-wheel disc brakes. Power steering. Set up pretty nice. Let's see here. Get around to this end so you can see that. Got the MSD ignition. Pretty healthy. Let's give it a little start up here. Yep, sounds good. You can hear the electric fan running. Nice radiator set up there. There's the old fan. Alrighty, let's go around the back here. Take a listen. Woo. Yeah, sounds good. Nice little torquey big block there. All right, well, we got this nice looking 57 over here at California Cars, 818-591-1313. We're over here in Simi Valley, and you can give me, Gary, or Rich a call, and we'd be more than happy to show you this car. Really nice, ready to roll, have some fun.